Hello everyone. Today I am presenting a comprehensive bibliometric analysis entitled ESG in Sustainable Construction. This study covers over 2 decades of research from 2005 until May 2026 using advanced analytical tools to map the evolution of ESG principle in our country. Sustainable construction is no longer just about going green. It has evolved into a holistic ESG framework. As the industry faces pressure to reduce carbon and improve social responsibility, we see a surge in research. Yet, this knowledge remains fragmented across various disciplines and regions. The core issue is a lack of structured understanding. We have identified 4 critical gaps that are fragmented knowledge across the field, a theoretical disconnect between sustainability and ESG, a lack of clarity on who are the key players, and the absence of a comprehensive map to guide future researchers. Our study set out to achieve 4 main objectives. First, to analyze publication trends over the last 20 years. Second, to pinpoint the most influential articles. Third, to examine which countries are leading the charge. And finally, to explore both dominant and emerging trends of the research. We have used a rigorous 3-step methodology. We extracted 164 high-quality publications from the Scopus database. We then used Scopus Analyzer for metrics, OpenRefine for data cleaning, and Voice Viewer to visualize the complex network of authors and keywords. To ensure data integrity, we relied on Scopus for bibliographic records, OpenRefine to resolve discrepancies in author names and affiliation, and Voice Viewer for sophisticated network visualization that is allowing us to see co-authorship and keywords clusters clearly. Looking at the trends, research activity was relatively flat until 2015. However, since 2020, we have seen a massive spike. This peak reflects a global pivot towards climate policy and a growing industry demands for standardized ESG metrics. Our analysis identified the top cited works led by Zhao et al. In 2019. Most of these influential papers are systematic reviews, which suggest that the field is currently in a phase of conceptual synthesis, building the foundations for the empirical studies to come. Geographically, China, Australia, US, and the UK are the dominant forces. However, we are seeing emerging growth in India and Malaysia. There is still significant room to expand international collaboration, especially in underrepresented regions. When we look at the heart of the research, the keywords tell us a story. We've moved from the basic green building concept to a complex web involving stakeholders' decision-making, sustainable development goals, SDGs, and digital enablers like building information modeling, BIM. The road ahead is clear. We must expand global collaboration to include more diverse perspectives. We need more case studies on practical ESG implementation. We must better align our research with evolving regulatory policy and digital twin technologies. In conclusion, ESG research in construction is accelerating. This bibliometric roadmap provides the clarity needed to address existing gaps. Thank you for your time.